What makes an advertisement truly unforgettable? David Ogilvy, often called the father of advertising, answered this question in his classic book Ogilvy on Advertising. This book is a treasure trove for anyone curious about advertising, whether you are a marketer, a business owner, or just someone who loves creativity. Ogilvy doesn't just share theories, he gives practical advice backed by decades of experience in crafting campaigns that work. So, what I love about this book is how timeless Ogilvy's lessons are. He emphasizes understanding your audience, crafting clear messages, and focusing on results. From writing compelling headlines to choosing the perfect visuals, every chapter is packed with actionable insights. But it's not just about creating ads, it's about strategy. Ogilvy talks about branding research and the importance of honesty in advertising. Even in today's digital age, his principles still hold up. So, for me, this book is a must read because it's not just about selling products, it's about connecting with people. Ogilvy's passion for the craft shines through, and you will finish the book feeling inspired to think bigger and better in your own work. So, if you want to dive into the mind of a true advertising legend, you can grab your copy through the link in the description, or you can even listen to it as an audiobook for free on Amazon Audible trial. It's a game changer for anyone in marketing field. So, have you read this advertising classic? Which of Ogilvy's lessons do you think still resonate with you? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.